How to delete search history on Outlook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete search history on Outlook. So let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device that you're comfortable with and then go to outlook.com. After that, you have to log in with your Outlook account, and once you're logged in now, navigate to top right corner and from there click on the settings or gear icon. Now under settings, you have to go to general, so click on general. Now again, under general, there are few options right here. So from here you have to go to privacy and data. Now once you come into privacy and data, so there is an option as search history. Here it says Outlook uses your previous searches to improve your search results. You can delete or download your search history anytime. So to delete search history, all you have to do is click on this button that says delete history. And before you press it, remember, deleting the search history is the irreversible process, so you will not be able to recover any search history once you click on delete history. So with that on your mind, click on delete history and all your search history from Outlook will get deleted. So that's how you delete search history on Outlook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.